people of the internet, my name is Tumpa and welcome to my channel. And if you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. So today I'll be doing a review for one brand, and that is Makeup Revolution. So I will be reviewing these 4 products today for you people. That is 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 contour palette and 1 lipstick. So the first product which I have is the contour palette. So you get a contour shade, you get a highlighter, and this is a bronzer which you can use as a blush. I'm in the shade Ultra Light Medium C04. The cost of this product is 850, but there was some discount. You just need a little on your brush and you're done. So this product will last you for a very long time. Although I am not so much into contouring, but then yes, once in a while I do like using this palette, but when I use it I really feel good about it. Let's go ahead and see the swatches. Although I'm using warm lighting right now, the swatches might look a little different for you. Okay, I don't know if you can see the contour shade. So this is the contour shade, then the highlighter, and then is the bronzer. The bronzer has shimmer in it. Highlighter is shimmery. The contour one is like a dusky brown color. The second product is a lipstick, and it's only for 250 rupees after discount. I don't remember the original price, and this one is called Scandalous. It's a very funky bright color. It's like bright purple. So this one is not a matte lipstick, has a very nice finish. It's not too shiny or buttery on your lips, but at the same time it hydrates your lips very nicely. You also get a touch-up small palette behind the lipstick. I'm not sure what you are supposed to do with this. Maybe you can just, use it like a lip balm in case if you don't want to take out your lipstick and apply it in front of people. So you can maybe use the other one just like a lip balm. That's what I think. I'm not sure. Or maybe you can even use it with a brush. They have many other shades in this range, but I just wanted to try one lipstick, and also this is like a new color in my collection. I never wore purple lipstick before. The next product, eyeshadow palette. The first one is Redemption Palette Hot Smoked, and this one was for 1050. After discount, I think it costed me 900 or 950. I will give the links to all the products down below in the description box. So this one is like a mix of matte and shimmery shades. So you get few matte shades, like this is matte, this is matte, this is again black, matte, this is matte. So you can use these matte shades as your transition shades. At the same time, the shimmer ones can be used as a single eyeshadow, or they can be used in blending with other eyeshadows to create a smoky look. Eye makeup which I have done today is only using these 2 palettes. Okay, the other palette is Redemption Palette Mermaid versus Unicorns. So this one is again for 1050, and it costed me 900 or 950 after discount. These are all shimmery shades. My favorite shade from this palette is this one, and then this bright sea blue. This is a black shimmery shade. So all the shades are very pretty. Like, I like all the shades. These are the unicorn shades, and these are the like mermaid shades. So these palettes come with a brush which is like a sponge applicator. I have used this brush today. This brush is decent enough, and I have used it a couple of times. So when you really need a pigmented thick swatch, you can use this one. Alright, so this was the review about the product from Makeup Revolution. And please go ahead and share this video with your friends. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video.